and welcome to Let's Learn English Online. Today we are going to discuss about articles and its types. So let's get started. Question comes in our mind that what are articles? Articles are the words which define a noun as specific or unspecific. Common examples are a, an and the. We will discuss two types of articles, that are definite articles and indefinite articles. Let's discuss the definite articles. The will be considered as a definite article. It really limits the meaning of a noun to one particular thing. Observe the following example here. Are you going to the party on Monday? In this example, if your friend might ask, the definite article that tells you that your friend is referring to a specific party which both of you know about. It is important to know that the definite article can be used with singular, plural and uncountable nouns. Let's discuss the indefinite articles. The indefinite article has two forms. First is a, which comes up before a word that starts with a consonant. Second is an, which comes before a word that starts with a vowel. The indefinite articles indicates that a noun refers to a general idea rather than a particular thing. Observe the following example here. If you may ask your friend, should I bring a gift to the party? Your friend will understand that you are not asking about a specific type of gift or a specific item. In the second example, if your friend tells you that I am going to bring a strawberry pie, again the indefinite article indicates that she is not talking about a specific strawberry pie. Your friend probably doesn't even have any pie yet. The indefinite article only appears with singular nouns. Let's discuss the exceptions of choosing a or an. There are few exceptions to the general rule of using an before words that begin with vowels. The first letter of the word honor, for example, is a consonant, but it's unpronounced. In spite of its spelling, the word honor begins with a vowel sound. Therefore, we use an. Consider the following examples. My mother is an honest woman. Here an is used. Here we will use an with a vowel sound, as honest is being pronounced with a vowel sound. Similarly, when the first letter of a word is a vowel but is pronounced with a consonant sound, use a, as in the sample sentence below. Here she is a United States Senator will be considered as correct. Let's discuss article used before an adjective. Sometimes an article modifies a noun that is also modified by an adjective. The usual word order is article plus adjective plus noun. If the article is indefinite, choose a or an based on the word that immediately follows it. Consider the following examples here. Allison will bring a small gift to Sarah's party. Here a is an article which is placed before an adjective and noun. In the second example, I heard an interesting story yesterday. Here an would be considered as an article which will be placed before an adjective and a noun. Let's discuss indefinite articles with uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are nouns that are different or impossible to count. Uncountable nouns include intangible things, liquids and things that are too large or numerous to count. As these things cannot be counted, so use of a or an with them is not important. The indefinite article is only for singular nouns. Uncountable nouns can be modified by words like some, however. Note that depending on the context, some nouns can be countable or uncountable. A or an can be used with countable nouns. For example, we need a light in this room. Here a is demonstrating countable nouns. In the second example, we use some light in this room. Here some would be considered as uncountable nouns. Let's discuss the use of articles with pronouns. Possessive pronouns can help identify whether discussion is about specific or non-specific items. Articles also indicate specificity, but if a possessive pronoun and an article are used at the same time, readers will become confused. Possessive pronouns are his, my, our, its, her, and their. Articles should not be used with pronouns. Observe the following example. Why are you reading the book? Here the demonstrates specificity. In the second example, why are you reading my book? Here word my would be considered as possessive pronoun. Now let's discuss the omission of articles. Occasionally some articles are omitted altogether before some nouns. In such cases the article is considered as implied but not actually present. This implied article is sometimes called a zero article. Often the article is omitted before nouns that refers to abstract ideas. Look at the following examples. Here let's go out for dinner tonight will be considered as incorrect because articles are always omitted before abstract ideas. The correct sentence would be let's go out for dinner tonight. Many languages and nationalities are not preceded by an article. Observe the following examples. I studied the German in high school for 4 years. Here addition of article before languages would be considered as incorrect. So the correct version will be I studied German in high school for 4 years. Sports and academic subjects do not require articles. For example, I like to play the football. Here football is a sport, so the inclusion of the would be considered as incorrect. In the second example, the will be omitted before academic subjects, like my brother was always good at maths. This is it for today. See you in the next video. Stay tuned with Let's Learn English Online for more informative videos.